Have you ever needed to quickly see if a sales rep hit their target? You can use the if function in Excel to do just that. Here's how it works. Click into the cell where you want the result to appear. Type an equal sign, then the word if. Now we tell Excel what to check for. Let's say we want to see if the sales in cell B7 are at least $10,000, which is our monthly goal. You type B7 greater than or equal to 10,000, then a comma. Next, we tell Excel what to show if that's true, such as met. Then another comma, and what to show if it's false, like below. Finish with a closing parenthesis and hit Enter. Excel will give you the result based on the sales number. Drag that formula down the column, and just like that, every rep is marked as either meeting or missing their goal. Once you get the hang of it, the if function becomes a powerful way to automate decisions, not just in sales reports, but across all kinds of business tasks. Try it in your own file and stay tuned for more Excel tips.